And before tayo mag-explore sa aming beach, the beach near us, near our new house. Let's go muna. Ayun yung building namin. That's yan ang building namin. So before we go to the beach, let's go to Maocean Mall. So sabi nila, mga napagtanungan ko mga Pilipina, I should walk there, over there, paikot. So let's go muna dahil may time pa ako. And this is me. I forgot my ring. So it's okay. I wear my earrings. Ano na siya? Remembrance ko to nung una kong nag-loan sa SSS. Parang 2008 pa ata yun, 2009, like that. So I can't remember yung exact date, exact year. So kung 2008, ano na ngayon, 2026 na. My gosh, almost 20 years na. Nakaloka. Parang I was just 22 years old, 23, 24, ganyan lang ako nung, mga 26, ganyan, 26 years old ako niyan, ganyan. And ang first loan ko noon is parang wala pang 10,000 ata. Kasi ilang years pa lang ako sa company dati. And binenta ng katrabaho ko. Just, hindi ko alam kung magkano na siya, pero mura lang. Parang 1,000 lang ata, or like that. Pero yun, mali na ako ng way. Dapat doon sa baba. So let's go down. 10 carats lang siya. Actually, sa tagal-tagal na ng panahon naman, may bitak na siya dito. Yan, may bitak na siya. Parang ito lang ata may bitak. So imagine, that's how I take good care of things and anything that belongs to me. If means that it's not belongs to me, then it means mawala sa buhay ko. Ganun siya. And bago ko subukang i-let go ang something, ina-analyze ko muna yan. Kung di na talaga siya nakatulong sa mental health ko. Very affected na ang aking mental health. I will let go. But there's a things that I have no power to let go. So, yun. See you later. Pag nakarating na tayo sa ating destination, ang Mall of Maocean. This is the way. And that's the road. And ito yung path natin. Pwede naman ako mag-bike kasi may libreng bike. But I'll choose to walk since it's my first time to go there by walking. And nagpunta ko doon sa Maocean dati, pero sumakay ako long time ago na. Nasa old houses pa kami. So this now, let's try. Kasi may prangke daw doon. So I will try. May prangke doon that noong unang panahon na nagpunta ko doon, I think nakapagpadala ko ng once doon. So I don't know kung meron pa until now. So let's discover together. See you later. So I think tatawid na ako, and that's the town center, yung mall. Malayo din na yung lakad-lakad ko. So see you there, my underpass there. I-zoom natin. Ayan, underpass. Yan na. Pero natanaw na ang katotohanan. Moss Center. Ayan. Ayan. And ayan. May nagpa-packing ng kanilang box over there. Boxes for their beloved ones. Hey, super. Kala ko A-Fright. A-Fright kasi ako nagpapadala. So, thank you for accompanying me here. See you to our next stop. At ako'y mag-explore ng konti dito. So, dito pala ang Frankie. Ayan. And Pacific Ace. Andito si Kuya. Yun nakikita ko sa Shopee. So, that's it. May Price Mart. Ayan. Filipino food. Mga products. Filipino products. May ukay-ukay. So that's it. Cargo. Doon A-Fright. Salon. Agency. Local foods. Parang from Thailand food ba to? Ano? I don't know. Parang Thailand siya. And there's also a restaurant over there. So let's go.